What's going on, you guys? My name is Ben Can, and today we're going to be doing a bunch of small little upgrades on my 1965 Mustang. It's those things on your car that kind of bother you, but you neglect it and you're like, oh, I'll do that eventually. Well, we're going to be fixing those things today. And I'm also doing this video because I just want to inspire you guys to just, go outside, fix some things and have some fun. But yeah, I'm always curious of what types of cars you guys have, so comment down below what car you have and what you're going to be doing to it. So if you've been watching my videos for a while, you probably noticed I had a retro looking radio. And the only thing is, I don't use it at all. My exhaust is my radio. And that is why we're taking it out of the car today. So check out this piece of plastic. I believe this is actually a replica of a radio delete plate that would be found in, a 1965 Shelby GT350R model. So, total race car. And since I can't really bolt this into the dash, since the dash is just completely cut up, I'm gonna put some 3M rubber stripping, which isn't really the best solution, but it will work for now. So let's remove the radio. I honestly think this looks pretty sweet. So now I'm going to install some door lock grommets. My car hasn't had these in years, and if you don't have them, the door locks just rattle around a little bit, so it's pretty annoying. And since I removed the radio, I'm now going to put in a new package tray with no radio holes. The removal of the old package tray was pretty annoying. I actually had to hop in the trunk to help my dad loosen up the speakers. But we eventually got it out and replaced it with the new package tray, and now it looks great. Well, my Mustang is insanely dirty. I almost never wash this thing. But you know what? I think today we'll give it a little detail. So check this out. California Car Cover actually sent me out a bunch of cool little goodies to help keep my car clean. They honestly sent me out so many different soaps that I don't even know what to do with them. And of course, their famous car duster. I use these all the time, so it's nice to have a new one. But yeah, huge shout out to California Car Cover. I really appreciate the support. Well, since I have all these cool goodies, I think I'm gonna clean up my wheels. I'm not a professional detailer, but I'm curious on how some of these soaps will work. Well, check it out. They honestly look pretty good. And I guess I'll dust off the show car. I'm stoked on how my car looks. I really should take better care of my car. I feel like I mostly don't take care of the paint because of how bad it is, but at least my wheels look good now. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have a lot of fun, messing around with my car, and I think I'm going to be doing that a lot this summer, so let me know if you enjoy these videos. Otherwise, I'll just work on my car without the camera, but I don't know. I feel like it's kind of fun to document these things. But with that being said, we'll see you guys in the next video.